mau ke 7-Eleven dekat apartemen. Kali aja ada pistol. Jadi hari ini Songkran dan aku pengen beli pistol mainan sih. Cuman kita lihat aja sih di sini kayaknya nggak tahu deh. Tapi ternyata nggak ada. Ada keren. Nah tuh, aku ajakin kalian jalan-jalan dan ini tuh banyak banget orang yang pakai pistol di jalanan. Mereka tuh nyemprotin ke orang-orang yang lewat. Nah ini aku sebenarnya lagi jalan-jalan sih, lagi otw ke Wat Pho. Jadi aku nanti bakal ketemu sama temanku, cuman kebetulan aku harus naik ojek. Karena kebetulan di dekat tempat tinggalku itu agak sedikit jauh sama MRT station. Jadi mau nggak mau harus naik ojek biar bisa ngejar jam. Nah ini tuh lewat di Chao Phraya River dan aku tuh suka banget sama tempat ini kalau malam soalnya banyak banget orang dan ini tuh vibes-nya tuh anak muda banget. Okay, what's your name? Okay, where are you going?
Wat Pho.
Wat Pho, and we are going to enter the Wat Pho, right? Where is the entrance?
Yeah,
This
you
one?
can go in.
Okay, let's go. Oh, is it like a back side of Wat Pho?
Maybe many entrance.
Oh yeah, have many entrances. Where is it? Oh, okay. I think we should go over there.
We shall follow the
People. That's the easiest way. What a festival. Really? Open every day. Wow. Can we go? Okay. We need to take off the shoes. So many people that are selling food around here. I really hope that they will be still selling the food after sunset. For one wheel, 40 Thai baht. Oh. Finally going to Wat Pho. Songkran day, but I think we're just late because yeah, everyone is already maybe going back. I'm not sure. What is it called? Build like a sandcastle like this, and this is the big one. I think it's from the temple, but it is like from the visitors. Like we also can use this one to make the sandcastle. She's going to make it. Oh no, she's going to take pictures. My friend is going to try. It's random, you can pour the water anywhere you want, like the body of the Buddha, sometimes like in the flowers. I can see like some people are pouring the water in the flowers. Oh, we can follow it. So we can build it. And it's free, right?
Yep, good.
And the monk is like helping us to prepare everything. You can see the monks are taking the
Where
stands.
is the one?
Up to you.
Hey,
Which one? the best place. I think over there, a lot of people over there, right? Wow. We can spur it because I think like this. Just put it. Can you put it? Yeah, just
To the beat.
okay. It's faster, right?
Yeah. It's better than IFTAR.
Yeah, it's a little bit heavy, right? And it's wet. Or we should put it inside first before we put it. But I'm not sure. Oh, I think we can just like put it on the top later.
Oh, you just do a bottom first.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. Ooh.
I think it's okay. It's okay.
Wow, it's perfect. But we need to put it like
Yep.
maybe it's gonna be broken after that.
Yeah.
All right. And it's
okay.
cracking. It's cracking.
It's okay.
Okay, that's all we can do. Now let's wash our hand. Oh, can we? This temple has a history that goes way back, even before Bangkok was a bustling city. It's amazing to think about how it fell into disrepair but was brought back to life by King Rama I in 1782. Being right next to the royal palace, it became a symbol of the capital, showcasing the rich history of Thailand. What's really fascinating is the effort put into preserving the historical gem. They didn't just restore the temple, they also brought over ancient Buddha statues from other ancient capitals like Sukhothai and Ayutthaya. Now, walking through Wat Pho feels like stepping into a treasure trove of Buddhist art and history. For me, Wat Pho isn't just a tourist spot. It's a testament of the resilience of Thai culture and its deep spiritual roots.
ท่านไหนที่เดินทางกลับบ้านก็ขอให้เดินทางโดยสวัสดิภาพนะครับผมขอให้ปีนี้เฮงๆโดยขอให้ดีขึ้นนะฮะเพราะว่าเรา
People are donating and put like some money here, and after that they are
บ
praying.
ทกลนะครับให้กับ
Wow.
บทกลให้กับทุกท่านนะครับ
The water ceremony symbolized spiritual cleansing, physical purity, and starting anew. During a traditional ritual called Songkran, or pouring water on monks, fresh scented water is gently poured over a Buddhist monk's hand or feet. This sacred water, often infused with the fragrance of roses and jasmine, can also be poured over a Buddha statue if you are unable to visit a monk. It's essential to pour water only on the body, not over the head. While performing this ritual, you can pray for blessings like good fortune, health, or wealth. More than the other days. Okay. We can also hit the what is it called? Gong. We call it gong in our country. So I want to try to hit 3 times, right?
พักเดียวก็สามารถส่งผลช่วยเราได้อีกหลายครั้งและนึกปลื้มได้อีกหลายครั้งนะครับนับไม่ถ้วนเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยอย่ามีบุญเล็กน้อยคือทำบุญให้กับสังคมให้กับผู้ศาสนาจะเป็นคนที่ทำให้ไม่มีคนมาช่วยเยอะบางคนก็เป็นคนดักเลยเป็นคนดักที่มีคนมาเขาเรียกว่ามีเมตตามหานิยมมีคนมาตั้งให้เหมือนดารานักร้องอะไรเนี่ยครับหรือบางท่านอาจจะไม่มีชื่อเสียงโด่งดังอะไรมากมาย
Pour it like that?
มากก็ตามแต่จะมีคนรับให้คอยดูแล
In Buddhism, if you are born on Sunday, you are respected, loved, and wise. Monday birth signifies seriousness, a love for travel, and a great memory. Tuesdays bring seriousness, activity, and bravery. Wednesday born individuals are polite, emotional, and artistic. Saturdays produce introverted yet calm and logical personalities. Thursdays marks peaceful, honest, and calm individuals, reflected in relaxed Buddha poses. And Wednesday nights.
Yeah.
Oh,
ทำความดีเอาไว้อย่าได้ขาดไม่พลั้งพลาดตัวพวกหนังสือ
Friday birds tend to be for friendly, ambitious, and fun-loving people.
ความดีที่เราทำนะครับให้เร็วมีแต่เราพลาดเราโฉบใบไม้ใครก็หรือมือที่
So it is like for prayers. People are like writing their hopes, like they write down their hopes, and after that also their name, right? And also sometimes people are hoping for their family or other, like the beloved one or maybe their friends, and making hope for them, something like that. And they just like hang on it on the tree, something like this. Okay, so everywhere here is prayers, right? For praying. Prabhupada is from Thai desert. They're trying to put the ball inside the net, but without hands. Wow. Ooh. Ooh.
อยู่ที่การเข้าใจเรานั่นเองครับอันไหนที่เป็นประโยชน์ตนประโยชน์ท่านนะครับแล้วเป็น
This is like a sleeping Buddha, it's giant Buddha. We can go inside, but not this way. Another way. This place. Like a free water station for drinking, right? Drinking
Yeah.
water, right? So it's not for like a water fight. No, right? So we need to take off our shoes and also the hat. It's a giant station. Yeah, and then the QR code as well. Wow. You can see a lot of ornaments inside. So it's like people are praying together. It is say like when people build a new temple or new houses, they will be praying together. So we are going to find something to eat, maybe. Like it's almost making the fasting time. I'm going to find IFTAR. Let's go. Hey, not so many people. But we got so many food stalls here. Not so many actually, but yeah, it's still okay. Let's see what we can find. Find this one. What do you have? เอาไก่เอ๊ะไม่เอาหมู
ไม่เอาหมู
ครับ
ก็จะมีตัวเนี้ยค่ะที่เป็นไส้กรอกไก่ที่เหลือก็จะเป็น
กรอกไก่
ไส้กรอกไก่
อ๋อแล้วนี่อะไร
อันนี้หมู
อันนี้หมูออกไม่เอา
เอาเป็นไส้กรอกนะคะ
เอาอันนี้
เอาสองอย่างเลยไหม
Next up, we will head over to Khao San Road to experience the vibrant Songkran festival nightlife. Make sure to stick around and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out of the fun. Ciao! This one is chicken sausage.